Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to look about Tata Technologies IPO. A book-built issue of 3,042.51 crore rupees. The issue is entirely an offer for sale of 6.09 crore shares. Tata Technologies IPO opens for subscription on November 22, 2023 and closes on November 24, 2023. The allotment for the Tata Technologies IPO is expected to be finalized on Thursday, November 30, 2023. Tata Technologies IPO will list on both BSE and NSE with tentative listing date fixed as Tuesday, December 5, 2023. Tata Technologies IPO price band is set at 475 rupees to 500 rupees per share. The minimum lot size for an application is 30 shares. The minimum amount of investment required by retail investors is 15,000 rupees. The minimum lot size investment for SNII is 14 lots, 420 shares, amounting to 2,10,000, and for BNI, it is 67 lots, 2,010 shares, amounting to 10,05,000. Now let us come to Tata Technologies IPO timeline. IPO opens on November 22, 2023, and closes on November 24, 2023. Basis of allotment will be on Thursday, November 30, 2023. Initiation of refunds will starts from Friday, December 1, 2023. Credit of shares to demat account will be on Monday, December 4, 2023. Listing date is Tuesday, December 5, 2023. And cutoff time for UPI mandate confirmation 5 p.m. on November 24, 2023. Now let us move on to lot size. For retailers, minimum is 1 lot and maximum will be 13 lots ranging from 15,000 rupees to 1,95,000 rupees. For small high net worth individuals, minimum 14 to and maximum will be 66 lots. And for BHNI will be minimum 67 lots. Now let us look at shareholding pattern. Shareholding before issue will be 66.79% and after issue will be 55.39%. Tata Technologies Limited financial information is available till the 30th of September 2023. Let's briefly analysis this statement. Assets are increasing year by year. Revenue is also looking good. Profit and tax is looking promising. Tata Technologies PE ratio is 32.53 and EPS is in 15.37. Before participating, please consult your financial advisor. If you want any trading related books, please look description, and if you want trading account, link in description. Thanks for watching.